For those of you, like Denie said, that don't necessarily know us, my name is Maryelen Horeftis. I am a yoga therapist, uh, iRest facilitator, trauma aware trained person who has been through her own injuries and own trauma and is grateful for the practices that help me heal and very grateful to be able to share it. So you are, with both of us, you're getting people who not only have spent years dedicated and studying this, and I do mean years, but you're also getting two people who have lived experience, which I feel is a very different kind of thing instead of just having read about it. So, and we are very, how do I put it, aware of our privilege and very sensitive to populations that have been systematically oppressed. And we do our best to make sure that everybody feels secure and protected and supported in our space. And that is definitely something we both focus on within our practice as well.
Thank you.
How'd I do? How'd I do?
That was sweet. That was sweet. And for those of you that haven't met me yet, I'm Denie Shae, and like Maryelen mentioned, we have a lived experience history of some difficult, challenging times, trauma, leaving the body, and then having to find your way back. So I began with aromatherapy, and that slowly snowballed. At first into some yoga, and then all of a sudden I found iRest and started getting into massage and Ayurveda and body work, and just very curious about how to tend to the body, to bring back a sense of resiliency, just an overall feeling of well-being. So I love to collaborate, and Maryelen and I have very similar passions, so we thought we would introduce being in the body workshops. And